Welcome back to my channel. It's Jaee Renetta, aka the Realest Jaee, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, what is goody. And if you already subscribed, thank you for tuning back in with me. We hit 1.5k subs. Shout out to everybody that's been on the team. Shout out to everybody that is joining the team. If that's you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so if you've seen the previous video, I'm going to put a picture up here and I'm going to put the link in the card section. You can check that out. But for today, we're going to be putting this Truscend hair to the ultimate test. Can it bleach? If you did not watch the video of when I first showed y'all the unboxing of this hair and the little booklet catalog that came with it, which I was kind of shocked about. I don't know if y'all ever seen something like that before. But it said that the hair can only lift to a 27. Now, if you don't know what 27 is, this is what 27 looks like. And I kind of want it to be a little brighter, but it's cool if it don't work out that way. But we're just going to see, can the hair withstand bleach? And how high can we bleach it? I'm not going to sugarcoat none of this because, y'all, I'm really curious. I kind of feel like the hair has been processed if it only can go to the color 27, but we're about to be the judge of that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna stop talking and I'll just drop like a couple little things as the bleaching process goes on. I left this bleach on for about 15-20 minutes just to see what it would do. It didn't do much, so this is why I'm over here whipping up some more bleach. But for this time, when I bleach it, I put more developer than I put bleach powder so that I can just lift the hair more gently but still get, you know, a little bleach on it, but not really. But we'll see how it turns out after this. This is really random, so I'm not doing this in any particular order. I kind of was just freestyling this, so how it come out is just like how it comes out. So this was after I finished bleaching the whole head. Like most wigs, well, hair products, the bundles bleach slower than the frontal. So the frontal kind of got lifted a little higher than everything else, but that is completely cool. I left this on and I tried to leave it on for longer, but this is the color it turned out, and this is what it looks like with the lights off, then with the lights back on. It's giving me brown vibes, like a cinnamon almost. So like I said before, this color is completely freestyle. I was really just doing whatever. There's some pieces in it that you see it's like already lifted brighter than the rest of the hair, and that's like probably from where I did it where I bleached it the first time. Not probably, it is. From the first time I bleached it, the second time I bleached it, and now this is the third time I'm bleaching it. And I'm just being random with these pieces. There's no particular order at all. So I'm just applying some heat protectant before I blow dry it. But y'all, shortly after this clip, my blow dryer literally caught on fire. It was smoke. It was crazy. So I didn't really record this part, but the next part in this series will be me installing this hair and just creating a look. I try to do something different, but you know, I'm gonna explain for all of that in the next video. But I appreciate you for tuning into this video. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think of this hair so far.